Welcome to my new tutorial. Today, I'll show you how to enable autoplay for videos on Facebook. Autoplay for videos on Facebook allows videos to start playing automatically when they appear in your news feed or when you open a specific post containing a video. Instead of manually starting each video, Facebook will begin playback automatically as soon as you see it. Without further ado, let's get started. The first thing you need to do is open your Facebook application. After that, tap on the three horizontal lines in the top right corner of the screen to open the menu. Now, tap on Settings and Privacy, and then tap on Settings. Scroll down, and in the Preferences section, tap on the option called Media. Now, in the Autoplay section, you have several options. Choose any of the first two options, and your videos will now automatically start playing when you open Facebook. And that's it for this short video. I hope it was helpful. If it was, please like, share it with your friends, and subscribe to the channel. It would mean a lot to me. Thank you for watching. See you soon.